Hello everyone, welcome to the course Writing 3. Now let's begin with Chapter 1, namely Paragraph Structure. In this lesson, I will present two parts. The first one is the structure of a paragraph, including 3 parts. And the second part is I will instruct you how to write a topic sentence and a concluding sentence. To begin with, let's look at this paragraph and tell me what is a paragraph. As you can see, this is a paragraph, including many sentences. Now let's look at the first sentence. New York and Boston attract millions of tourists, but I think one of the best cities to visit on the East Coast of the United States is Washington, D.C. So the topic of this sentence is Washington, D.C. And please look at the following sentences. They all describe Washington. So can you tell me what is a paragraph now? We can say that a paragraph includes many relevant sentences, many related sentences, which develop one main idea. It means develop one topic of the paragraph. Now we move to the structure of the paragraph. A paragraph includes 3 parts, as in the picture here. This looks like a sandwich. A topic sentence, several supporting sentences, and a concluding sentence. The topic sentence introduces the topic of the paragraph. This is the main idea of the paragraph. And supporting sentences give details about the topic related to the topic. Finally, the concluding sentence summarizes the main points or restate the topic sentence in different words. Now, I will instruct you how to write a topic sentence. The topic sentence have 2 parts, a topic and a controlling idea. Now look at the example here. Learning is very useful, which learning is a topic, and the controlling idea is very useful. Or the second, number 2, e-learning costs a lot. The topic is e-learning and costs a lot is a controlling idea. So the controlling idea here tell what the paragraph will say about a topic. In other words, the controlling idea limit the topic in a more specific way. So when you write a topic sentence, try to include 2 parts. The topic is not enough, but you have to introduce the controlling idea. Cái điểm này các em nên lưu ý khi viết cái câu chủ đề ha, phải có đủ 2 thành phần. Phải có cái topic và phải có giới hạn của topic. Ở chỗ là mình muốn viết cái gì về cái topic đấy. So if you write the topic sentence like I will write about e-learning, it's not a topic sentence because it's lack a controlling idea. Next, the best place to put the topic sentence is at the beginning of the paragraph. By this way, it gives the readers an idea of what they will read. It is easier for readers to understand the paragraph. Remember, place the topic sentence at the beginning of the paragraph. Now, another part is a good topic sentence is not too general and not too specific. It tells something about the contents of the paragraph, but without any details. This is a very important point. Now, please look at the example. Example number 1. Marriage is an event in a person's life. This topic sentence is too general. Why? Because the topic marriage and the control idea, an event in a person's life. What person and an event in life is too general. Các bạn lưu ý khi viết một cái câu chủ đề, chúng ta tránh những câu như thế này, bởi vì nó quá rộng, quá chung chung, nên giới hạn lại cụ thể hơn. Now look at the second example. The average age for people in the US to marry in the year 2000 was 25 for a woman and 27 for a man. This topic sentence is too specific because it's giving details. Remember, when you write a topic sentence, don't write details in this topic sentence. Lưu ý các bạn khi viết câu chủ đề, tuyệt đối không liệt kê chi tiết ở đây. Cái việc này vi phạm, cho nên đây là quá cụ thể, không đạt yêu cầu trong câu chủ đề. Now look at the third example. The average age for people in the US to marry has changed in the past 100 years. It's a good topic sentence because it is not too general. The topic is the average age for people in the US to marry, but without any detail. Không có chi tiết ở đây, nên đây là câu chủ đề đạt yêu cầu. Now we move to another part, how to write a concluding sentence. A concluding sentence is the last sentence in a paragraph. It signals the end of the paragraph, and it reminds the reader the main idea. Câu kết luận có tính chất là nhắc lại cho người đọc biết chủ đề của cái paragraph của đoạn văn này, và nó đặt ở câu cuối cùng của đoạn văn. A good concluding sentence needs begin with a concluding signal. There are two kinds of signal. Signal followed by a comma like this, and the second signal is like this without any comma. Normally we use the first one. Signals followed by a comma, like in conclusion, or we know in summary. Now, the concluding sentence reminds the reader the main idea by one of the two ways. The first way, the concluding sentence repeats the idea of the topic sentence in different words, or in the words, it paraphrases the topic sentence. For example, look at the topic sentence. Successful bidding on eBay requires patience and strategy. So this is the concluding sentence. In conclusion, you need to wait patiently and place your bid with precision timing, and you will be the winning bidder. This is the repetition of the topic sentence, but not a copy. Why? It uses the different words. For example, in the topic sentence, patient, but in the concluding sentence, it uses wait patiently. Different word. Strategy, realized by place your bid with precision timing. And successful bidding, paraphrased by the winning bidder. Đây là cái điểm mà thầy lưu ý các em. Đây là kỹ thuật paraphrase, tức là dùng cách diễn đạt khác, dùng từ ngữ khác để diễn lại cùng một ý. Đây là cách chúng ta hay viết câu kết luận, diễn giải lại cái câu chủ đề dùng từ ngữ khác thay từ, không nên copy hoàn toàn. Các em lưu ý điều này nhớ. And the second way to remind the reader the main idea is to summarize the main points mentioned in the paragraph. Look at the example here. If you follow the step mentioned above, you will be the winning bidder. The steps mentioned above are the supporting sentences. And the last point, never end a paragraph by introducing a new idea, because a concluding sentence is to remind the topic of the paragraph, not introducing a new idea. Lưu ý khi viết câu kết, chúng ta tuyệt đối chỉ lặp lại ý chính của đoạn văn, tránh giới thiệu một cái ý nào hoàn toàn khác, là sẽ rơi vào tình trạng lạc đề. Okay, to consolidate what you have studied today, please do practice 2, 6, and write 5 topic sentences for 5 topics: a childhood memory, favorite food, a digital library, e-learning, and an ideal holiday. I will check your work next time. That's the end. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye, class.